It's me again. Here's on the Hot Homestead. Stay tuned, see what this video is about. Thanks for tuning in, Chef Arizona Hot Homestead. This video I'm going to show you my pantry / laundry, kind of the work I've done, and then I want to something special I'm going to show you. Take a look. There's the door. I have put my tongue and groove around the door. We did the ceiling. We got this wall. We got the little washer sink area. That's going to be 12-volt lighting because that comes from the RV. So we got all this stuff done. You saw the video of the doors. Now I'm going to take this tongue and groove and I'm going to wrap it around here. But because I got a little piece there and a little piece there, a little piece there, one there, one there, it's going to be hard to do a line. And so here's what I got going. See that green line? It is that line level. So here's what I'm going to do, because if you've been following me, I am no expert at anything, and nothing is level. There's no right angles in this structure. You think that's a right angle? Yeah, right. It's like exactly like 47 degrees or something. No, I don't know. But there is no right angles. There is no 90 degrees. There is no... See, even think about what I just said. I call that a 47 degrees. More like 92 degrees. See? So anyhow, so here's what I'm looking at. Let's get down here on the ground. Oh, look who's coming. Hi, Contra Loud. So, well, I just blocked my line. So this line level is putting a line right down on my joint here, right there. Obviously you can see the green line. Okay, and it's carrying it all the way over there. Let me go close that door so you can see better. You can see that green line all the way down there. Now what I did was I put that blue tape on the green, just under the green line, and that's going to be my level all the way across. So then when I take this one, because I have to cut the bottom with about an inch or so off, so to have a little bit of room for the finished floor and all that stuff. So we're going to cut about an inch off on this, and then that line will help me stay level with this piece here. This guy here, it's a DeWalt. I'll do another video on this thing later, but I kind of like this tool. So anyhow, so that's going to help keep a straight line, and then I'll use a level as I go, and then every now and then I will put this up 4 foot level or so, and I'll match it up with one of these and make sure I'm still kind of all the way. So that when I get to like this point right here, I want to make sure that that one there is definitely level. Because over here, if they're a little bit off, it's not going to matter. But that line right there is going to matter. So, and then across the way there, going across, as I put little pieces up there and little pieces over here, yeah, they got lined up perfect up there. What I had to do here was make sure that all these pieces here are lined up with this, so when I hit here, it was a perfect piece. So I got the first row done, and I went strictly by the green line, and then I decided to measure. That's how brave I was. And check this out, brothers and sisters. What do you think? Is that close? From there over to there, I think it's close enough for government work. So I'm on my third row, and instead of using a level, I'm using this laser level. But because it goes all the way around, can't see it because of the lighting, but the line goes all the way over there. You can see it very clear in a couple of the spots. The point I'm making right now is this is almost better than using a regular level, a laser level, as opposed to a bubble level. Now, am I going to be able to take that and go all the way up the wall? Probably not, but at least I can make sure that the first few are as level as humanly possible. Leveled as levelly possible. So, oh my, this green self-lasering, leveling laser, whatever, this green self-leveling thing, I absolutely love it. My only issue is I gotta keep going up and up and up and up. I don't know how I'm gonna get way the heck up here, but so far I've used it on every one of these as opposed to using a regular level. Oh my gosh, I know I've already said it in this video, but I'm going to say it again. If you're doing tongue and groove, you need one of these. Oh my gosh, it makes life so much easier. I'm going to say it again. What a dream. I've done every single row with this level. It's hitting like right on the top of the tongue. So when I go to set this one, I'll put this right on top of the tongue. Oh my! The things I go to. The links I go to make things happen. Get it? The length of the ladder? Never mind. So my beautiful line level comes over here, and then I did this just to double check. Look at that. And along with my level, I'm going to name this thing Sweetness. Funny how I shimmy it up though. I only got what, 3+ rows to go. I can almost pretty much screw that up because it's above head level, so who's going to see it? Besides, can I go any higher? I guess I got another ladder. It's possible to go every single row. I have gone every single row. This is like 21, 22 high, something like that. The last, if you can see, I got one and then a partial on top of that one there. I may just say screw it on those last two, and however way they come out, they come out. I am in love with this, with Sweetness here. Alrighty then. That blue looking stuff down there, that's some water sealant. Same thing that they put in showers. It's basically a liquid rubber, and that's going to be over the entire floor. But it goes up the wall like about 10 inches or so. And then there's a fabric in the corner, so I put down the that waterproofing stuff, and then I put the fabric down, and I painted that more on. You just apply it with a brush, actually. This is the stuff I used. Room is done. Now all I gotta do is sand it down. Some of the areas don't need to sand all of it with like a 220 bit or so. Up here, that's all one piece, and then I went with another piece. This here is just a straight piece going across. And then we did the header. There you go, folks. Tongue and groove is done in the pantry / laundry. Now I just need to do a fine, like a 220 sanding bed on it, and go from there. Paint it, stain it, put some clear over it. I don't know. Anyhow, till next time. See you. Bye. Have fun.